What is up, guys? Welcome back to a quick one. That is Wolf Place right there. Check out our channel. I thought I'd do a little update. Hold on, let me turn off. AC is blowing too hard. Okay. I never did the update on the steering wheel change, and I thought this was the perfect opportunity to do it because I just picked up the car from the dealer again. Nothing, I mean, not again in a bad way. I just want to pick it up. So let me tell you what the outcome was. But before, if you haven't, please subscribe. It'll help the channel a lot. It'll help it grow if you want to see videos like this as well. And if you're into mountain biking, I also have a bunch of videos about that. And also like this video, share it, blah blah blah, all the good stuff. Comment, and let's get right into it. So they did replace the steering wheel. I went to pick it up right after. I mean, it took them like a couple of extra days because they had to use a special tool to remove the actual, it's an extractor that they did not have in stock because it was a different one from the ones that they usually use. But they did went ahead and replace it, and it looks a whole lot better. It's not perfect though, but it is a little bit straighter. So what they kind of told me is that the stitching and everything is over on this side, so that's why it's like that. Like I said, it's not perfect, but it is a whole lot better than before. I guess I'm just gonna have to live with that because there's nothing else they can do about it. And yeah, so that's the outcome. They did replace it, brand new steering wheel. I'm pretty sure they reused the airbag, and but other than that, there was no issues or anything like that. So the old after a few weeks of riding it, because I don't use this car too much, I've been working from home a lot lately, so I did notice that the steering wheel was a little bit crooked, maybe like 1 or 2 degrees like this, and it was just driving me nuts. So last week on Friday I dropped it off, and they told me that we're not gonna be able to get it until that day or Saturday, and I told them that's okay, don't worry about it. So I just left her over the weekend, and they were gonna get to it on Monday. They never called me back. I haven't had the need to use the car because I still have the Lancer and my Ram. So they just called me up today. I guess they never heard from me, so I just went and picked it up today, and they told me that they did the alignment, and the alignment was actually straight. So it was the steering wheel that was crooked a little bit, so they just took it off and put it back on the correct place, and the alignment took care of all the problems. So now my steering wheel is perfectly straight. So that's the update. Again, like I said, they did replace the steering wheel. Again, like you can, there's a lot of sun right here, so it's really sunny right now. So again, I don't like this gap, but it is way better than before. And there's really nothing else that we can do about it. So again, that is it for this one. I hope that you learned something today. And again, things like that, if it's a factory defect, just talk to your dealer. They should be able to help you. If not, just go ahead and escalate it. Tell them, hey, who do I need to talk to get this done? Because the first time I told them, they're like, yeah, let's see what we can do. The second time I told them, you know what, who do I need to talk to, because this is bothering me. So other than that, that is gonna be it for today. Again, if you haven't, please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so. If you're new to the channel, welcome to my channel. Check out my other Mitsubishi and car related videos, as well as all my mountain bike videos. And please comment, share, and subscribe. That is gonna be it for today, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.